Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for July 3rd to the 15th. For July 3rd to the 7th, models maintain an amplified pattern. We have a ridge here over the Great Basin in the southwest, with above normal heights across much of western North America and a trough in the east. We also have a trough south of the Aleutians. Now, we go through the period, there's not much change in the pattern. We're going to go to the end of the period. This is the 7th. We still have a trough here in the east, above normal heights across western North America, and we have a trough here extending from Aleutian towards Hawaii. Now, the pattern favors above normal temperatures in the west, and the anomalies during this period, and we don't have anomalies, are forecast to be 10 degrees above normal. The trough in the east, with numerous embedded warts, will impact the central U.S. into the east into the weekend. This will result in repeated heavy convective rainfall potential across the region. This will cause temperatures to be about 6 to 8 degrees below normal. We're going to look at the period for July 6th to the 10th. Here we are at the 8th, and the pattern is less amplified during this period. This is a GFS, but we still have above normal heights across western North America, as you can see right here, and we also have a trough extending across the Aleutians towards Hawaii, but the flow is a little more flatter. And now we're going to go to the 10th, and this is a GFS ensembles, and it depicts zonal flow. And then we look at the European deterministics, more amplified, ridge in the west, trough in the east, and the European ensemble, same thing. And then we look at the Canadian, a flatter flow also. Now, one thing I want to note this, we're going to look now at the NavGym, and we're going to look at the 500 millibar anomalies. I think we're going to look at them. Okay, so we're going to go to 6th to the 10th. And this is the 6th, and we have a flatter flow also above normal heights across the east and the northwest. Now, the earlier run, let's see if we can get to the earlier run. This is 7th, also a flatter run, also a flatter flow. And the Canadian has a flatter flow with near to above normal heights across much of the nation, but still has a 591 DM ridge over the southwest Great Basin area. So during this forecast period, and I don't have my maps up. Okay, hold on a second. During this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this region. And let's see if we can get the temperature anomalies to come up. No temperature anomalies, they're not loading. The below works forecasting temperatures across this area especially across here. We're expecting temperatures to be as much as 18 degrees above normal, and elsewhere across areas here we're forecast temperatures to be about 10 degrees above normal. Now here, due to a trough and clouds or precipitation, we're expecting temperatures to be about 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. I'm forecasting below normal precipitation for this area. for the southeast, and above normal precipitation across this region due to monsoon flow. Now we're going to look at the period for July 11th to the 15th. Here we're at the 11th, and we're forecasting a flatter flow again, above normal heights here. So now we have a ridge south the Aleutians, and then we're going to go to the 15th, and we have now our 594 DM high across here, across this region. The ridge starts building. This is a GFS, and it has a trough here off the west coast and over the east. This trough seems to be more amplified. This one's a little weaker. But the other models are forecasting a weaker ridge, but with near to above normal heights. And then look at this. This is a complete reversal of what the other model is showing. This is the European ensembles. Has a deep trough here across the Great Lakes, a deep ridge here over the western North America. And we look at the other models, it's a little weaker, but still has a trough in the east or the northeast. Now, one thing to note, the NAVGEM is forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this region, and I think this is how it's going to be. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this region. Temperature anomalies across this region are forecast to be of 10 degrees above normal here, and temperatures here due to the trough, forecasting temperatures to be about 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, I am forecasting below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this region. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for July 3rd to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.